Hello everyone. I want to point you towards this resource that I've mentioned once or twice before, but I wanted to do a quick video that shows you how to use it. So chemquiz.net is a really great resource for you to use throughout the semester. So once you go to chemquiz.net, I want you to click here where it says 35 different quizzes, and then it'll be quizzes by topic. So let's scroll down to chemical equilibrium quiz. Now whatever unit we're on, you pick that unit, but I'm just picking this one, right? And then you can choose what kind of problems you get, okay? Number of problems, types of questions, okay? This covers the whole unit, all right? And then what kind of chemical equations you want. Do you want to practice with it unbalanced? Because you'll have a few problems like that. Do you want to practice with it balanced or a mix of both? Units to use, I would practice with all of them, but you know, list of givens wanted, that's like where when I showed you guys at least last semester, where you list out what they're asking for and the given information. They go ahead and list that for you. I would choose word problems because that's what you're going to get on your exam. It's word problems, okay? Now, your given values, random, more realistic, or simplified. I choose simplified whenever I can't find my calculator charger, for example, and I just need to, and I can only use my phone. I use simplify because the calculator on my phone is not scientific, but random is going to be more like what you get on the test, okay? So once you've chosen what kind of problems you want, you hit start, okay? And it makes this quiz. And you may have to play with it a little bit to figure out, like, it gives you directions. Read these directions about how to enter in the answers. Use the caret symbol for any exponents. Don't use any spaces or mathematical operators such as the asterisk or X, okay? All given quantities are equilibrium quantities. It's bold, so I would make sure that I read the stuff in bold, right? And you hit grade it after you type in your answers. Of course, I didn't type in any answers, but here, when there is a mathematical explanation, you hit the plus button to see what it is, okay? And it doesn't write it all the way out for you down here, mainly because once you calculate it, you'll come up with this answer over here. This is where I get your tests from. Now you're going to get different questions every time, so whatever questions I pull up are probably different than whatever questions you pull up. But this is mainly where I get your test questions from, okay? Now I want to show you one more way to practice, right? Again, we're talking about equilibrium. I just searched for equilibrium on Khan Academy. Yep. Right? And this also has practice problems for you. Okay? So you click to start, and let's go. And then it'll ask you some practice questions, and then you can get a hint. You can click on this to give you a clue if you're not sure. Here's the video related to it. If you need to go back and watch the video, you can get a hint and another hint. Now after you do all the hints, it gives you the answer. But it gives you a very good explanation. So this is a very good way to practice in the beginning, like to start off with Khan Academy and do those practice problems there. And then once you get a good handle on that, because this gives you more written out explanations, and then the chemquiz.net just gives you the calculations, okay? But they're both really good ways to review. That's how we're going to review for this unit. So have at it.